Segment is sponsored by Rebath. Summer is a great time to finally get those home updates completed, and Rebath is here to help you create the bathroom of your dreams. Here to tell us more is Jody Graff, Rebath design consultant. Jody, great to see you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. Okay, tell us a little bit about what Rebath does.
Okay, Rebath is a complete bathroom remodeling company. We've been serving the Utah community for the last 20 years.
I mean, I see you guys everywhere.
Yes, we are everywhere. We also do complete remodeling. We specialize in high quality, easy to maintain products, and that lasts forever.
Awesome. Okay, how can Rebath help showers and baths be more accessible with people that have disabilities and for the elderly?
It's very important to keep that space safe for the elderly. So we have a lot of beautiful options. We can do a tub shower conversion into a walk-in shower only.
Cool.
We can take the area and put in a walk-in bathtub, which a lot of elderly people really love.
Yeah.
Finishing out the space with some safety bars and some benches, some options for benches for seating for elderly, and then obviously some handheld stuff that they can reach and easily, grab to help them in the shower area.
Oh, that's very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, and what does the design process look like?
Well, what we do is somebody like myself comes in to your home. We actually bring the showroom with us, and then we sit down and design a beautiful bathroom that you love. We have lots of options in terms of product, high quality, beautiful products. And then from that phase, we schedule the project. We do all of the product ordering for the clients, and then we basically complete the project from design to done.
That is so nice, where you can come into our home, kind of vision what we are, looking at, and help us decide what we need here, what we need there, because I have no idea what I'm doing. So that's nice that the professionals can handle it.
Yes.
What does the remodel process look like with Rebath?
Remodeling with Rebath is easy. We do it in very short turnaround time. Depending on the project, it can be anywhere from 8 weeks out to 12 weeks out. But once we're in your home, it's just a couple of days and it's completed.
And that's it?
Yes.
What are most people looking for? What are most people asking? Is it more space or just kind of an update on the style?
Most of the time people are wanting to update their space. They're tired of the old grout tile, the mold and the mildew, the maintenance. So most of the time people are wanting to change out their space, update it, make it look, more current, and a lot of the issue is that they want it easier to maintain also.
Oh, that's a good point. Okay, now there's always that upkeep, like you were saying, that needs to be done in any home, but especially in the bathroom. So how can Rebath help with upkeep after the remodel? Because I don't think people maybe think of that.
A lot of times people don't think about after the remodel. So we've got wonderful warranties that come with all of our products. We also, since it is easy to maintain materials, there's really not a lot of upkeep. We want to make sure that the client's it's easy for them to clean, easy for them to maintain, but we have great customer service. We're always there to help with warranties or any solutions that the customer needs after the install.
Incredible. And really quick, tell me, you had a special offer too. Is it $1,000 off?
It is. We have right now $1,000 off of a complete bathroom remodel or $1,000 off of a walk-in tub placement.
What a deal. That's amazing.
Yes.
Where can we go for more information?
You can go to www.rebath.com and locate our office here in Salt Lake, and we'd love to help you.
Perfect. Get a brand new bathroom.
Yes.
Thanks so much, Jody. Great to see you.
Thank you so much for having me.